The Westward Movement by Alexis A., Joshua C., Clarissa M., and Marisol G. Northwest Ordinance. The Northwest Territory was the area north of the Ohio River and east of the Mississippi. Colonists have been moving into this area since before the American Revolution. People throughout the territories as colonies. Principles of the ordinance were extended to other territories. The land at retreated settings produced needed revenue and income. Passed in 1787 in response to the need of order in the land west of the Appalachian Mountains.
The U.S. never had land like Florida or Oregon. They would have to be gained by a treaty. They invaded Florida from Spain and almost fought against Britain to get Oregon. They had so much land that expanded to the Pacific Ocean. When people first got their territories, they wanted to make it easier to travel places, so they made river routes to get to one place to another. There were a ton of river routes that they used to get to, like, New York to Nashville.
Transportation. The options that they gave was a flatboat, stage, or Conestoga wagon, or a steamboat. Transportation is such as the creation of post roads, railroads, and canoes. Continued greatly to westward expansion in the United States. The transportation system facilitated the migration of more people to the west. Settlements. The settlers in the territories could now organize into states that would have all the rights of the original 13 states. Some of the first people moving into the new territories were trappers. By the early 1800s, Americans had settled many of the lands east of the Mississippi.